Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how I connect my iPad Pro 2021 with M1 chip to my smart TV and also to keyboard and mouse and external hard drive. Okay, so this is my iPad Pro. Okay, this is iPad Pro 2021 edition with M1 chip. Okay, so I have this USB hub. Okay, this one I bought from Amazon for about 30 bucks. It has it connects to the computer with this USB-C cable. Okay, so I connect this to a USB-C port, and then it has three USB-A ports. Okay, they are USB 3.0. So this cable is for my keyboard. Okay, this is USB keyboard. So I connect to one of them, and then this cable is for my mouse. It's a USB mouse. So I connect this to this. And then this one, it also has a HDMI port, but it's HDMI high speed, means 60 hertz, okay, 4K. It supports 4K HDMI at 60 hertz. So I connect this to, now this cable here, HDMI cable, goes to the back of the TV. And then I have this, external hard drive. Okay, it's a little old, but it has lots of data. It works. So I connect this to this. Okay, so I connect external drive to USB port, and this is for the mouse. This is for the keyboard. This is for HDMI. And if I want to charge my iPad, I can connect the charger here. Okay, and I connect this to the wall power outlet. Okay, so this way the iPad is being charged. Okay, you can see iPad is being charged. So now once I connect the HDMI to the TV, my iPad screen comes here. Okay, but if it does not come, you will see the remote of the TV. This TV, by the way, is a 4K TV by LG, UHD, ultra high definition, 4K, and this supports up to 50 hertz. So there is a button here for selecting the input. So you look at this, and then now it's connected to HDMI 2. If it is connected to HDMI 1, you will not see the iPad screen here. So you see where the source is. Since my iPad is connected to HDMI 2 port of the TV, I select this. Then my iPad screen comes here. Now my mouse also works. So now let me show you how the mouse you can navigate. Now I can go to the previous screen, and then I have this notes here. See the notes application on iPad? I can, suppose I want to create a new, new note. So I go here and I click it. Then I can say, meeting on So I can basically type up the note, and then of course I can click on done. Once it's done, it's saved. Now I can go back. See it over here. If I take my mouse here, Now it comes to the home screen. So that notes is saved. So if you go to notes, you will see here, see meeting on conversion of hardware is there. So basically I have showed you how I can use mouse and the keyboard. And now I'll show you how to access files on this external hard drive. So I go to this file icon. See the file icon? File icon already is showing that Samsung external is connected. This is the external hard drive that's connected to the USB hub. Now here I can go to any folder. For example, let's go to this folder here. Now this folder has many folders. There are 2 videos. Okay, there's 2 videos here, as you can see. Now let's suppose I just tap once and then I can start watching the video. And sound is less, so I can, because the sound is coming from the TV. And I can. Also, now once I'm done,
share this video with all of your friends and family through social networks.
And then now let's suppose I want to copy this movie somewhere. So I right click. See, left click, just left click on the mouse opens this video. And right click will give you a menu. So here I can say copy. So I copy it. Once I have copied it, then suppose I want to copy it somewhere. So I go to on my iPad. Now here on my iPad, there are 3 folders: Chrome, downloaded, Barry, pages. So let's suppose I want to put it in pages. So I go to pages and then I right click and I say paste item. So it basically, it's copied. It copied the file here. Now I tap it, I tap it once, and then I can view the video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the content.
Okay, so as I showed you, I can copy files from the external hard drive, and I can go on my iPad. I can right click and say I can create a new folder. The new folder is I can select a folder and I can delete it. I create a new folder, I can delete it. I can explore a folder. Okay. By the way, these are Word files: blank docx, classic, notes on rent, notes on rent. Now, let's suppose I go to blank. I open it. He basically opens this this Word file. So basically, I have this on my iPad. If I have pages, I have these files. This W means Word files, and this is a video. I can create a document by just clicking here. So I can create a folder. I can copy and paste from here to there, just like you do on Windows. And so I have showed you that. Now, let me show you. This one is iPad 2021 edition with M1 chip. And this one is 12.9 inch diagonally, okay? And I also bought another iPad. This one is also 2021 edition, but it's 11 inch. This one is much lighter. This is lighter. This one is a little heavy. This one is heavy, but this one has much better display. It's heavy because it has lots of tiny LEDs inside it, so that the display is brilliant. The black is really black, and the white is really white. Sometimes the black is not pure black, it's grayish, dark gray. So this one, because it has tiny LED, lots of them, it gives you much better display. For example, like I can go, by the way, I can use it with my finger or with a stylus, or I can now use my mouse and keyboard. Like suppose I want to go to YouTube, so I go to YouTube, and YouTube, I can go to my channel, and then I can on my channel I can explore, and I can for example, this is a video that I have made about my village in India, and I can, I'm watching the video right now, and so this one is basically in the full screen mode. I can bring it here, click. See, you click it, and then it shows you that you can stop the video, and I can maximize it, and then if you want to see the buttons again, you click on it, and then you can minimize it, and I can view this video, and so basically this is how it works. Now once I'm here, I can delete this video, or and then I can see the white line at the bottom. You just click it, and it gives you brings you to the home screen. So all my apps are here, and I can see other apps, and or I can bring it to the mouse here. I can go and see other screen. I can go to the first screen, and it has all my and this icon here is for the files icon. It gives you all the files. You see on my iPad is all the folders on my iPad. This is the external hard drive, and this is on my iCloud drive. And once I'm done, I just go back to the home screen. And of course, this is for the chat. This is for the text message, the iMessage. And this is for your web browser, Safari. This is iTunes. This is YouTube. This is my notes. And so basically, this is how it works. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.